All over the world, green spaces are disappearing, replaced by roads, buildings, and concrete. But in schools like these, something different is happening. Across communities, students from different backgrounds are coming together to build something simple yet powerful, a garden. With every seed they plant, they are taking charge to care for the earth, growing food, and restoring green life to the city.
Planting is also good in economical purposes and it also enriches our environment.
These gardens may be small, but their impact is large. They provide food, create learning spaces, and connect young people to the land.
It's important for us to protect the green spaces around us so we can purify the air.
Even in the face of deforestation, climate change, and urban growth, these students are showing that it is possible to protect green spaces.
Green spaces are not common. So this is an opportunity for them to create their own green spaces, get to experience how this helps to clean the air because they've learned about it in class. So coming here to plant their own garden, concretize that experience for them.
This isn't just about trees and plants. It's about taking action, working together, and making sure nature has a place in our future.